welcome to the famous South Parking Deck at the Atlanta Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, yeah?
South Dakota based, right?
Yeah, South Dakota based. First time here.
Nice. Actually?
Mm-hmm.
Really? Well, now you can see Scarlet the Tanager.
Oh, yeah. The view we will have for the next several hours.
Kenny the Beluga.
That'll be good.
Yeah, we got a couple. And let's see about arrivals.
Not many people do that. Hey, first one to notice our license plate.
747.
I want them to, he's getting a car seat.
Yeah, I'm
getting
getting
I'm in my new car here too, so I'm gonna get a custom. We have what?
Oh, is this United Max? Landed way over. It is.
Looks like either Copa or...
It's a United Max.
I was like, yeah, they Copa here.
Anyone caught a photo of the One World A350 way down there?
That's I don't know what that's doing there.
Yeah, I was on the ramp tour. We just got off of that and it was hanging out over there, so we went right by it. We got a Delta A321 heading somewhere. Out here. We need this guy to be out here. Yeah, the top winglet painted blue, the bottom one's left empty. I can't tell. All I know is a Frontier tail that's probably a bit too blank. But the Mad Pup Delta 717. A fantastic view of the former AirTran bird. Mr. November 994. Another one back there. And a SkyWest 700, I believe, with a small town in their future. Now, listen up. We've got another 717. Listen up. 943.
I was out of the Dayton Air Show last weekend.
United Max 9.
Or my uncle went over there. They're in Ohio. So, yeah. But, you know, like 95 degrees and I forgot to put the truck in. Where the Blue Angels are Thunderbirds. Yeah. I forgot to put the truck in. Yeah, I mean, look at me, I got it. I guess I got it.
Elliott Air on the go. That shouldn't even say Southwest. It should say Elliott Air. But whatever, we don't get to make the decisions on what the airlines put on planes.
Did you do a ramp tour earlier?
Yeah, we did.
How was that?
It was amazing.
Really?
All the aircraft, they have to go all the way down. I think it's either Victor or Whiskey right here. One of the end-around taxiways. You're getting all your Frontier birds checked off on this trip.
Yeah.
Scarlet the Tanager. I should just call it a cardinal at that point, but I'm no bird expert. The only birds I'm good at are planes. 7.5 on the go.
757.
Yeah, this is gonna be one of those more laid back videos, so just enjoy. enjoy the commentary. Definitely inspired by Matt Cochran. I don't want to take any credit away from him for what he's done for ATL spotting over the years. We do need him to visit though. I think we've given him enough heads up about Airliners International and just the general awareness of this big event that happens every year and goes all over the place. Is that another 7.5? That would be the case.
So he just pushed from international.
Oh sweet, yeah, we saw him land on the ramp tour.
Well, that's awesome. We got some pizza over here if you want any.
Oh, the pizza's already?
Yeah, Connor.
Huge thank you to Connor for putting together the little pizza party. Just like what we've done the last 2 years for plane spotting meetups at Airliners International. X Northwest. 553. Alright, one of Anderson's favorite tails is coming around here in a second after this Delta Mad Pup. And just look at the conga line of traffic. Quite a few planes. Another 7.5 that just landed and a 7.3 on the go. An 800? That's an 800. Scarlet took the longer way around. Well, let this Delta 320 go. They must be in a hurry. And a 7.5. Another X Northwest. Pretty much all of them are at this point. The legacy Delta ones have long since been retired. Enemy territory for American. One of the newer Envoy 175. Will be on the move soon. Oh cool, he's already out of there. Wow, that took him a few minutes. CRJ is up. Frontier's probably waiting for a gate. Pilots are just hanging out. Waiting for a gate to open up because Frontier has no one place that they park at anymore. It's been kind of the norm with Frontier as of late. So I have no idea where I'm flying out of when I go home after this. But a lot more to enjoy. Oh yes, another 7.5. Get all the photos and videos of this. Alright, let's see how loaded you are on your way to Scarlet is still waiting.
Another 75 to Fort Lauderdale lining up.
Oh, good. Fort Lauderdale. All right, another 7.5 to Fort Lauderdale. No winglets. Happening there.
I wonder if there's one to the other runway.
Ooh. It's like a DC-9. They just rocket out of here. Love it.
Lining up.
All right.
Air Francis?
Yep.
You guys
Oh,
are
he's
big on
rolling.
podcast?
Yeah.
I got it.
Oh, here.
Dang, dude.
I got 150, I think, and I have
That's about what I
lot
have.
of ATL.
Yeah.
I'm about to complete it. I got 2 more.
Oh, yeah?
I got E.
Oh,
and I
shoot.
need E and then D, and then I complete all.
That's incredible.
Yeah. And then I just ordered the parking garages and the
Oh,
doors
dude.
for the canopies.
That's so sick.
Yeah.
That was your flight.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think this might have been the exact one.
Cool. I don't remember the regs like a lot of people do. I can't do that, dude. But I believe it.
Which dog is barking first? Ugga, get after it. Yep, there's some birds here. Oh, he is up and away early.
The
Same
breeze,
here. Yeah.
because I'm not used to heat.
Not a bad idea, man.
Was it the one that graded?
Going good.
Crazy. Yeah, it's nuts.
Let me go ahead and get out.
Do I
I'm
get
sorry to the Northerners, but I need to talk to these bozos out here.
About what?
All right.
Wife.
What?
763 to Kennedy. You know who else should be out here right now? Matt Cochran.
He's not out here. We took him away.
Oh, he isn't?
I have contact with him.
He's funny, bro. I love it.
I love his videos. He always comes Saturday and Friday.
Yeah, he's always on the weekends.
Okay. So maybe Friday night he'll show up.
I could probably text him and ask him right now.
Yeah, feel free.
Looked at it before, like,
I wouldn't use it till like late summer. Rest in peace.
Do you want to head out to Boston?
I used to live there. I caught Ethiopian's inaugural from Mount Hartsfield.
Really?
Yeah.
My farm does that, I'm very jealous of you. I have nobody to be jealous of.
I'm flying Delta a lot.
Oh yeah.
Delta's great.
Southwest side of the world.
And I only was good because I put through my most fun. I mean, with all those moves to Boston,
Bulldoze Boston. Sorry, Bulldoze Newark.
they said, I don't think the president said
Envoy 175 heading up to Washington.
for the month of May.
Reagan National
The loud vehicles down over there. TPA for Tampa. Southwest. Airline that, as we've already discussed, has completely messed up what made them succeed. Hey, another 738.
10 more minutes.
Well,
If that even.
220 heading out to Dulles.
My other former
Montego Bay A321. This guy's got a wardrobe malfunction. Yeah, where's Connor? Oh yeah. Make sure you get the wardrobe malfunction.
672 Delta. Birmingham now.
Shining down on us. A little bit long.
All right, it's on the departure. Delta 717 heading out to Panama City.
Oh yeah.
ECP. I've been on this flight.
Right.
Sao Paulo's coming in.
sorry.
Oh, Sao Paulo's coming?
811 November this but they're still 20 minutes out.
One hub, baby. Did you see my video?
Winglet was 7.5.
The Delta Pilot Tour.
Yeah, that's awesome. I've done it before.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, you're gonna really like that.
Yo, bring the camera over here, man. Yo, you're focused on the wrong subject, dude. Aviation, that's right. What's going on, everybody? How's it going today?
Doing good.
We got Deltas everywhere, and tomorrow we'll have models of them everywhere, but we gotta start with the actual plane. Thunderstorms that are on the north side and 321s on the north side.
Pretty good zoom for this camera.
Yeah. Guys. So sad.
A Delta 752 to Tampa.
No, it's going
They love me the 7.5. Hell no, I'm not. Why would I be bored of a 7.5?
Just making sure you're having fun.
Unless I'm a pleb, which I'm not.
Whoa. Guys, this Cotter fell apart. What is it doing?
I don't know. It's just been hanging out there all day. But rest assured, I'll be getting a model of it.
We got a good one on the departures coming up here.
7.5 on the north side.
7.5 on the north side, 7.5 on the north side, Delta belly included and no winglets.
Now we can buy lucky this one.
Coming in from Frankfurt.
DHL from Frankfurt. Operated by Aerologix.
I had the police called on me.
And then you learn that when you're up there, you're going to go to
Virgin A350 1000 to London Heathrow.
Sweet.
Every 40 minutes at the most. One time, I'll tell you this thing out, but 21. Hey guys, it's up, Virgin's already go.
Oh, Virgin Version's on the go.
Virgin Atlantic.
Yep. On the go.
That's a low round.
Virgin A35K.
Going out to London.
Bro took my hat.
That's the reason why I
Breeze is kicking off.
That's the reason why
There's an airplane.
how cheap it is.
Okay, here's something. Yeah, that nose cone again. Another wardrobe malfunction.
Use a new coat of paint.
Yeah.
You're making good progress, man. What's the most fun aircraft? What are you doing, bro? That's my hat. That's my hat, bro.
That's my hat.
Looks like a 300 model.
Yep.
Like Sounds were flying those babies to Paris before it was Neos.
Yep.
Delta's always been in Boston.
These are good shots with this phone actually right here. They're good enough to post, so I'm happy about that.
Yeah, no, I thought you liked this spot.
Good job.
I balanced it all out.
330 way on the south side.
Oh, can you imagine?
thunder. Big clap of thunder right behind us. Yeah, that sounded pretty loud, so it was close. Well, I figured that was going to happen with the thunderstorm while we were spotting here at Atlanta. Because why not? Why not? Southwest landing. If your hair starts standing up, let me know, because then we need to find somewhere.
Our dull day here in Atlanta without a...
Oh!
No, it's not.
Yeah.
This thing will be done in 30 minutes. Guaranteed.
Yeah.
Storms do not last.
No, they don't. You should see South Georgia. South Georgia, I mean, it looks like it's pitch black.
And then 20 minutes later, it's
20
good.
minutes, it's...
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's crazy.
And I know that because I just studied.
And it cools off.
Yeah, it cools off. That's the nice part.
I had 2 courses on severe weather this spring.
Yeah, it takes all the energy out, the heat away, and everything else.
Yes, and we have a meteorologist here, or a meteorologist in training. I'm halfway there, a little more than halfway there. I should know.
Whoa, you see that one? I got that one. That's gonna be loud. No, yep, that one's gonna shut everything off for a while.
On the north side, yeah.
North side. North side of it.
We did miss the 220, it was off over there. I saw.
That and this Alaska, that Chester dude. If those turn out great, I'll be so happy. But the A321s, I don't care too much about.
Yeah.
They're cool, but if I'm gonna see 20 of them, I'd rather have a good shot of being cool with those.
Yep.
How many people he bets on that plane? Probably a good amount actually, because it's a decent time of day.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
Oh, WestJet new livery max on the north side now.
Like the whole plane is perfect, but the stupid antennas. Why is it just the antennas? I don't like that. That's stupid.
Yep.
Hi, JJ.
Yeah.
And that one was totally fine.
Oh yeah, it's fun.
I'm gonna try the other phone. See if that helps. It's not as good resolution.
Where's the new Korean livery? Where is that at?
It's a good question. I'm not sure. Concourse?
Yeah, did that leave already, I wonder?
That's actually solid. I'm just gonna do it on this. A little bit lower resolution. Lack of smear.
Yeah.
Whatever you call that crap.
Very close.
I think that's Frederick.
Yep, that is.
Actually,
Yeah.
it's their first AC-21 Neo as well.
It's only running on one engine too.
There wasn't a free actually?
This is Frederick. Yeah, I think this is one of their first either way. Flights now.
Oh, that's one
with Frontier. The 320.
Oh, that's the one Neo iPhone.